little tick. Hi, friend.
Oh, on your face?
No, on my hand.
I'm Scott Larson. I'm the district entomologist at Metropolitan Mosquito Control District, and we're out here at the Cedar Creek Ecosystem Science Reserve collecting ticks.
For many people who live in Minnesota, ticks are just a way of life. We find them in tall grass, we find them in forested areas, and when we're out hiking, spending time with our dog, it also creates this opportunity for a tick to bite you. Unfortunately, tick bites can have a whole cocktail of different pathogens that can make people pretty sick. My name is Jordan Manley. I am the vector ecologist here at the Metropolitan Mosquito Control District. Our goal is to find out where ticks are, what they're infected with, and how that changes over a period of time.
Ticks have 4 life stages: the egg, the larva, the nymph, and the adult. We're interested in the nymphal deer ticks because they can be infected with pathogens that cause human disease.
So you've got your drag cloth, which is what you use to collect the ticks. I'm Nikki, I'm the tick tech. I come out here and I drag for ticks. I check all the sites that we don't have dedicated folks from the other facilities doing. We've got safety glasses so you don't get poked in the eye. We've got high visibility vests, and we've got big strong boots.
We're gonna go into here, maybe 20 feet. We use a tape measure so that we can make sure we're stopping every 10 meters and checking for ticks. 1,000 meters in total at every park. If we drag for much longer than that, the ticks start to fall off of the drags.
The drag is supposed to simulate an animal or something moving through, rustling of the plants, heat that you produce, as well as the CO2.
This is ethanol, and then we just use it to preserve the ticks. So we put all the ticks that we find in here and then take it back to the lab and figure out what we got.
I'll try to come back just to get that second estimate because I want a true reflection of the density of ticks at this location.
After we've collected ticks from the field, we bring them back to the laboratory and then we identify them.
I've got a little container here with a bunch of ticks in it. These ones here are actually all collected by MMCD staff. So they're out in the field, they see a tick on them, they put it in a container and they send it to me.
There are 3 ticks of public health importance to the people of Minnesota. The first and the most important is the black-legged tick.
Ixodes scapularis, that's the black-legged tick or the deer tick. We've got male, female, and nymph.
This is the tick that transmits all of the diseases that we'll regularly find here. The second tick, also known as the American dog tick or the wood tick.
DVM refers to the wood tick, Dermacentor variabilis male, DVF, female, and nymph. This tick is probably something that people encounter more frequently. It's very rare that that tick has pathogens. And finally, the last one, the Lone Star tick. This is a new one on the scene. It doesn't have any established populations here in Minnesota. This tick is known for inducing a meat allergy, which a lot of people are concerned about. And so we go through one by one, identify them, separate them out into different samples, and then we will freeze those samples and later on in the season send them to the University of Minnesota for virus testing. When it comes to combating ticks and tick-borne disease, our best tool is education. So when you're out in the woods and you are about to enter an environment where you know ticks are located, there's a number of things that you can do to protect yourself. First, you can apply repellents. Repellents do an amazing job of keeping ticks as well as mosquitoes from biting you. The second component is wearing long pants and long sleeves. The advantage of having these physical barriers gives you the opportunity to delay a tick bite, but also you can strip down your clothes at the end of the day, put it in the dryer for 10 minutes on high, and kill any ticks that are on you. Probably the most important thing in terms of minimizing your risk of a tick bite is a tick check. Taking the time to just examine your body to see if you have any ticks or on your clothes is very important. It really comes down to taking the appropriate steps to prevent a tick bite. The prevention is so much easier than what the outcomes can be.